Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing the eye care routine for my pet. So this is what I use as a eye drop for him. Not every day, but twice in a week. This is a Hatmox eye drop which I have been using since a very long time and it has been recommended by his vet. So it costed me around 100 rupees and it's a really good one. It cleanses eyes very nicely. So I'll just show you how I go ahead and use it. So I just take it out and spray 2 drops in his eyes, and look how adorable my dog is. He never says no to anything. He's such an obedient pet and I love him so much. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more, please subscribe to my channel.